Now the right tag adder, the error code is 1018. So the chart tag. So we'll try to check fate. Okay, fate. Every time same. It means all the time the label come out from machine with the same distance only. Okay, in this document we will see all the details of all the contents was inside this code document, and you see the RFID here. So because we are now just like to try without RFID, so I will delete this function, and after that to try print 4 piece. Okay, 4 piece now is working. So now we found the label printing is a little bit shifted to outside, you see, a little shifted to outside. So it means the label need to be the content need to print it a little bit to the inside of the printer. So we need to change the some from the printing. Okay, something auto measurement. Measure need to select, and after that speed we prefer to make it slowly 2. 6 normal is 6, we make it 2. Better to just adjust and also to see what the result. And then because of the printing not so good, so we'll make the darkening a little bit higher, from 6 to 10. Okay, and then go back. Adjustment. Okay, after that go to advanced and enter into, and then the first one is calibrated, doesn't matter, kind check and off, and also we need to adjustment and offset. So the default, the beginning is 12. The beginning is 12. Now we'll try, because of the content it come out too much, so we will reduce this audio to 1. Okay, to 1. So it means the make it the system more inside, move inside to the printer. Now it's -1. In the beginning it's -12. Now it's -1. Okay, so we increase the pitch offset from -12 to -1. Let's check, but very important point, we need to go back. Here's the auto mode. Auto mode is very important. Now is selected, we need to close it. Now it's enabled, and disable this function. Otherwise the gap will keep the same distance to come out, fade the same distance without change. Even though we change the offset, but it doesn't work. Okay, after that, one more important point is the print mode. Print mode now is tear off. We need to change the tear off to be continuous. we found the printing is come out either about 2 or maybe 3 millimeters, too much. So we try to change the offset from 12 to 1 -1, but we think maybe still something maybe not enough or maybe too much. We are trying to make it. The other important point, need to go to the system and the regional we need to change the unit from dot to millimeter. So millimeter better to control the distance. We know very well how much millimeters how many millimeter we need to shoot to come out in order to adjust better. So as to match the distance, the gap, and also to make the content on the labels as much as possible. So we are now changing the final setting from printing, and then printing to go to the advanced. We see the adjustment pitch offset. The beginning I remember it the 12 dot, but we changed the dot to be millimeter. So the final one for my machine, for my printer is 7 millimeter, and then I can get the right very good printing quality with this. In the beginning we